Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to reveal to you how you can reset your toolbar in the Palemoon browser to its default settings. For example, if you have added several or many changes to it and I would like to restore its previous appearance or default appearance. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so what you want to do is navigate to Palemoon menu in the top left. Then what you want to do next is navigate to Preferences, hover a mouse over it and choose Toolbar Layout. Now for the sake of this tutorial, let me insert or add a change like the full screen feature or the print feature. Let me position it somewhere here. So as you can see, that's how you add these changes. Now to restore the default toolbar, select this option here, Restore Default Set. And as you can see, all these tabs and features and tools I have added to the tab bar have been removed. And that's how the toolbar looks now. Clicking to Done. And as you can see, the print button has been removed. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.